Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you and your family are all having a fantastic day and keeping safe. As you can see from the title, we've got a bit of a different kind of video for you today. So, one of the questions I get asked the most, without a doubt, particularly on my fish filleting videos, is where can I buy a knife like that? Well, the knife in question is my trusty Deba filleting knife. So today I'm going to be giving away a knife very similar to the one used in those videos. Now let me introduce you to this menacing looking knife. Straight out of the box, brand new of course. So this is a 21cm stainless steel Deba knife from Kai. Kai knives are made in Japan. They have over 100 years of knife making experience. And although this is an entry level knife, the quality is excellent and this will make a great knife for a professional chef or a seasoned home cook. So this Deba knife is perfect for preparing fish fillets, butchering meats, and cutting through hard bones and cartilage. So the blade is made of Dido 1K6 high carbon stainless steel and it's hardened to 58 degrees Rockwell, which provides a knife with higher endurance and greater durability. So as well as this awesome knife, I'm going to be giving away this dual sharpening stone, 600 1000 grit, and you will need this stone to sharpen the knife. These items were kindly donated to us by mychefknives.co.uk. They stock a wide range of the biggest brand knives like Wusthof, Sabatier, Victorinox. Not only do they stock high-end Japanese Damascus steel-bladed knives, they also stock really good entry-level knives. I just want to state that I'm not affiliated by this company, nor am I sponsored by any other company on this channel. Also, I would never promote a company here, which I would not use personally myself. So now to the important part, how you can win this prize. To enter, it's completely free. You just need to undertake the following 4 tasks. 1, like our Facebook page. 2, follow our Instagram page. 3, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to this channel. And finally 4, like and then comment on the last video uploaded to this channel, which was the Japanese knife skills video. The comment I would like you to make on that video is the answer to this easy question. Which country are you from? And which one dish from that country is your favorite? Again, which country are you from? And which one dish from that country is your favorite? I will announce the winner of this giveaway in a video to be uploaded to this channel on Sunday, the 13th of September. And that's UK Greenwich Mean Time at 8 PM. Once picked at random, I will have the package delivered to the lucky winner anywhere in the world. The only conditions of this giveaway are that you must be over 18 to enter, and entry will be closed 1 week from now at midnight UK Greenwich Mean Time on the 12th of September. Good luck everyone, and thank you so much for your continued support and love shown on this channel. Take care. Bye bye.